Hello parents, this is Mr. Golias and just going over the 4 discussion points that you have with your students in reference to the 3 grades that are coming up. Everything can be found, or most of it can be found in the Google Classroom. So the first one is the ITS. The way to check that is click Classwork, go all the way down, you'll see a section called Infotech Slides, and then it says ITS turn in here, and this is where you can check to see if they did in fact turn it in. For example, this class, everybody has turned those in. The second one on the list was the formative graphic design, and if we scroll up, here's the graphic design section. Here is the formatives, and you can see in this is where you can click and find out did they actually turn it in. For this class we have all but one turned in. And then the third thing we're looking at is the Genius Hour research, and to get to that you would just click this icon, go to the Google Drive. From the Google Drive you're going to open up their Genius Hour slides, and once we do in fact get to the Genius Hour slides, you're going to look for their driving questions, and for each driving question it should turn into a slide like this where they have at least 3 facts if not more and a citation at the bottom. And once you have that, they should have at least, they should probably have about 7 or 8 quality facts at this point. So if they have less than that, this weekend would be a great time to work on that. And finally, on Friday, November 30th will be our Artifact 2/3 check-in presentation. Again, we're just trying to make sure there's no controversies or craziness that last week for you guys, so it will run smoothly. Here's the rubric we use for that presentation, and it's just a friendly reminder that to have them work on that. So I wish you guys the happiest of holidays.